Hello guys, magandang hapon sa ating lahat at have a good night to all of you later. At alam nyo ba guys, ang daming nag-friend request sa atin kanina. Binigyan tayo ni Boss Meta ng napakaraming friend request kanina, kaso hindi dito sa Pilipinas, taga ibang bansa. Kaya challenge ko nga yung sarili ko kasi dito naman tayo bihasa ang pag-English, kaya mag-challenge tayo. Ang title ng further days video natin ay ang English Dangers. Ngayon, let's go na. Tayo magsusundo pa. Kaya eto na ang English part 1. Let's go. Let's go home. That's my wife. And we need to go home because the rain is coming. And then I will drive. No raincoat, you know. Ouch. It's hurting me. Okay guys, we are here in the Bakbakir. Can you see that? It's sipungat. So I need to go home now. There is the house, and you know, so you need to flashlight my face. It's bad. It's so hard to speak English guys, and it's so dark. The night is overall in our eyes. So okay guys, goodbye. Hirap mag-English guys. Okay guys, andito na kami sa bahay at nakauwi na kami. Gabi na, kaya kailangan ng mag-prepare ng gabihan. Kaya maraming salamat guys sa panonood, at please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Okay guys, good night.